Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking a new topic, that is compound measures and motions. In that, first we'll be taking formula for speed. What do you mean by speed? Speed consists of distance and time. Okay, so speed is distance upon time. Got my point clear? So now if I ask you what is distance, distance will be cross multiply and you will get speed into time. And what is time? Time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, shall we start with our problem number 1, which says how 1 minute. Your problem number 1 says find the average speed of an object that travels 80 kilometers in 2 hours. So you have to find average speed. That means speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So that will be 80 kilometer, that is the distance given, and the time given is 2 hours. That means speed will be 40 kilometer per hour. Got my point? Okay. Next I'll take fifth, which again says you have to find speed, and speed is distance upon time. Distance this time is given as 400 meters and time is given 25 seconds. So that will be 400 divided by 25 and you will get 16, and this time your unit of speed will be meter per second. Got the concept clear? Can you do the remaining problems? Perfect. Your next is the distance given in problem number 7. The distance given is 4 kilometers and time given is in minutes, that is 30 minutes. You have to give your answer in kilometer per hour. If you want, you can convert here your time in hours. How you will convert into hours? You have to divide by 60. Yes, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So you have to divide by 60 and from there you will get 1 upon 2 hour. So you have distance in your hand in kilometers and your time is in hour now. Now find the speed. Speed is distance upon time, that is 4 upon 1 upon 2. When you take this 1 upon 2 here into multiplication, it will reciprocate and it will be 4 into 2 upon 1. That will be 8. So your answer for speed is equal to 8 kilometer per hour. So this is how we convert into hours. Can we do problem number 10th? In your problem number 10th, it is given that distance is 1.5 kilometers. Your time is 30 seconds. You have to give your average speed. For finding average speed, the formula is distance upon time. But here, you have to give your answer in kilometer per hour. So distance is in kilometers, but time is in seconds. How to convert your seconds into hours? 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. That means your time 30 seconds. To convert into hours, you have to divide by 3600. Once you divide, you will get 1 upon 120 hours. So now I have given speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 1.5 and time is 1 upon 20. 120, I'm sorry. Now if I take this here into multiplication, it will be 1.5 into 120. Am I correct? And that will be 180. So what speed you are getting? 180 kilometer per hour. That means you have given your answer in kilometer per hour. So always remember, when you are converting minutes into hours, you have to divide by 60, and when you are converting seconds into hours, you have to divide by 3600. Let's see next. We have how far does an object travel? What do you mean by how far? That means we have to find distance. And distance, as I said you, it is speed into time. So now you have been given in your first problem, your time is 2 hours, your speed is 75. Can you multiply and get with the answer? So distance will be in kilometers. Got my point clear? Let's take problem number 3, which says your time is given as 6 1/4 hours and your speed is given as 80 kilometer per hour. So there's no need of conversion of units, both are in hours and we will get the distance in kilometer. But first, this mixed fraction should be converted into improper fraction. Let's see how. 6 1/4. So we'll take 6 4 are 24 plus 1, that will make 25 upon 4 hours. Now your distance is same, speed into time. Your speed is 80 and your time is 25/4. So your distance is 500 kilometers. Shall we jump on to problem number 5? In problem number 5, you will notice that the time is given in minutes, but your speed is in kilometer per hour. So you have to make the units equal. For that, for that you have to divide 15 by 60 to convert into hours. So time will be 15 upon 60. That will be 1 upon 4 hour. So now you got your time in hour, your speed is in kilometer per hour. You have to find with distance. Distance is speed into time. So that will be 320 into 1 upon 4. And your final answer will be 80 kilometers. Clear? Can you do 7th and 9th? Yes. Your next is how long does an object takes to travel? How long? That means you have to find with time. And time formula, as I have given you here, it's distance upon speed. Shall we start problem number 1? Time is distance upon speed. In your problem number 1, your distance is given 20 kilometers and your speed is given 5 kilometer per hour. You do not need to change any units or convert any units because distance is in kilometer and speed is in kilometer per hour. So the time you will get will be in hours. So that will be 4 hours. Got my point clear? Yes. Shall we jump on to third? In that you have to give your answer in minutes. First find the value, find the time, and then we will convert in minutes. Distance is given as 15 kilometer and speed is given as 30 kilometer per hour. That will be 1 upon 2. That will be 0.5 hour. But whenever you want to convert into minutes, you have to multiply with 60. So 0.5 into 60. And that will be 30 minutes. So you have given your answer in minutes. Got my point clear? Can you finish off the rest?